Hi, I am Tom Callahan, Manager for CertainTeed Ceilings Technical Services. Today, we are here at our acoustical testing and training facility. So first off, we'll be talking about Ecophon Focus Dg. It is a semi-concealed panel, meaning it only conceals a portion of the grid. The way that does that is it has two supporting sides here and here. You'll notice there is a shallower top ledge and a much deeper bottom groove. That bottom groove is to accept that grid flange when installing into the ceiling. There's also two non-supporting sides. These edges here, they have what we call a reverse reveal. It allows the acoustical ceiling system to sit next to the panel. When you're installing in the system, you want to make sure you are fully engaging or burying that grid flange in this bottom groove. That allows the trailing or back edge to have clearance then to sit in the grid system. So now you're installing it, as I said, you're putting it in here, having that bottom groove fully cover that grid flange here. This gives you clearance here to bring your trailing edge in. You bring it up, you swing it up, and you just shift it over, and it sits down. Now it is about a ½ inch down from the face of the grid, and it's fully installed. Next panel comes in. Same thing, you are repeating that same process. Burying that grid flange in the bottom groove of the panel, resting it over, and done. So you see here that once all the panels are installed, there is a defined gap between all of them. It is roughly 5/16 or 8 millimeters. It is an architectural or visual element designed into the ceiling system. The great thing about this system is how easy it goes into and out of a ceiling system. If you need to access the plenum space above for mechanicals, or if a panel gets damaged, they are what we call a lift and shift system. They were downward accessible. Simply just lift and shift over and the panel comes out, as easy as that.